Kasi sabi nga nila, meron din silang K. Alright, for our next K-pop class, we have Teacher Ariza! Let's go! Oh, wow! Oh my God! Cute nyo naman! Hi, everyone! Hi, guys! Hi kayo! Say hi to the Arena!
Naku si Mieli.
Hello, Arena!
Grabe, ang cute nila!
Si Mieli.
Mommy daw! Hi, Mommy, I'm here! Alright, Teacher Ariza, I want to ask you, I'm sure these kids have been so special to you, so what's your message to them?
Hi, kids! I just want to say, hindi pa kayo nagdadance. Super proud na si teacher.
And I'm sure they did amazing, no? Grabe, they're so excited, they have so much energy. Sino pwede nating tanungin? Itong naka-fur.
With the fur.
With a
Ayan
fur,
na,
what's your name? Miel. Miel, how excited are you tonight to perform? 10 over 10. Okay. I love it. Good luck tonight. I'm excited to watch you. Ayan, hi ka sa iyong mga loved ones and parents. I'm sure they're also super proud of you. And one more. How about you? What's your name? What can you say about Teacher Ariza? Very good magpasayaw sa atin. Very good. At 10 as well. Alright. Teacher Ariza, I think are they ready?
Yes, they're so ready.
You guys ready?
Yes!
Yes! Alright! Gina, let's go!
Go, Miel!
Alright, once again, give it up for the G-Force Kids K-pop class with Teacher Ariza. Great job, guys. Super fun performance. I enjoyed it very well. You guys did amazing. I think the competition is getting real, and we have room for